Hello, I am going to talk about Instagram, a very popular social media platform that will look at its good and bad points. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages are that it can easily become a big distraction for your homework and studies, and seeing realistic photos and lifestyle constant cause people to comparison that themselves negative to others and affect their mood. Advantages. The main advantages are that is the great for sharing creative photos and videos, and it helps people easily connected with friends, staying in touch with family, and join interest in communication and share the same hobbies.